Looking for another tool to help speed your process of creating quizzes and content for your students, look to Conker.ai. Let's see how long it takes me to make a mixed quiz for my 4th graders. And we just read about the role of women in the gold rush. Let's see if it does it for us. Thinking. So I have a multiple choice question. I have question 5, 6, 7 questions. Okay, so I was able to generate 9 questions in about a minute. I then can go through and validate the questions with my own knowledge or with the linked Google searches. I can decide what I want to do with these questions. I can edit them. I can remove objects. I can change the response answers. I can throw out a question I don't like. I didn't like that one. And it has different question types. I have a drag and drop, I have multiple selection, I have multiple choice. And then I can preview my test. I can also assign or export it. I could share it through Conker itself. I can export it to a Google form. I can print questions and answer sheets. So a lot of ways I can do that. So another great productivity tool, something that'll help make generating some quizzes quickly, is Conker.ai.